Alright, so in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the video voice changer feature, right? So first of all, what it does, it basically converts your existing videos audio with your audio, whatever you prefer, right? So let's say you have a video of, let's say, created using Notebook LM, you can convert the audio to your desired audio. So what do? You click on the three dots here on this side, you go to video voice changer, you drop in your video file. Let me show you how to do that, okay? So just click on it, and then as you can see, it's uploading the video, right? While it is uploading, you need to click on the target voice. Basically, what you're doing here is you're basically taking the voice, okay, that it has, and then you're asking it to convert it, right, to your desired voice. So you pick it from here. I want to pick, you can pick from systems, design, or public library. So I want to do cloned. And let's say I wanted my voice, right? So let's say you want to create some course materials or anything like that in your own voice. So you can do that. Give this thing, so I'm going to just give this thing a name, the video title. I'm just going to give it like test version 2, test version 1, right? So I can say Yash audio version 1, right? And then just wait for it to upload. And once it is done, read the terms and just click on this tick box to approve it, to agree with the terms and services, and you're good to go. Once it is uploaded, and once you, I'll show you, right? Let me just show it's almost done. Once it is uploaded successfully, right, what will happen is it will appear, right? Where will it appear? Once it says uploaded, it will say uploaded successfully. Then it will show you this button called start the video voice change. You click on it, and then after this it will be uploaded, it will be done, and it will appear under a my video section. So where will you find it? Again, you go to the three dots, and then you go to my videos, and here you will see all your videos. So before this I ran just one video, and if you see this, so this video has my voice, right? So that's the thing, that's how it works. And then you can download it, you can play with it, and then you can go from there, right? So let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.